Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Zelle, a free service that allows you to send and receive money directly from your bank account. Zelle is a convenient and secure way to transfer funds, and it's widely available through many major banks and credit unions. To get started, you'll need to check if your bank or credit union offers Zelle. You can do this by visiting the Zelle website or by checking your bank's mobile app. If your bank offers Zelle, you can enroll in the service by providing some basic information, such as your name, email address, and mobile phone number. Once you're enrolled, you can start using Zelle to send and receive money. To send money, simply open your bank's mobile app, navigate to the Zelle section, and enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount you want to send and a memo to describe the transaction. One of the key benefits of Zelle is that it allows you to send and receive money in minutes, as long as the recipient is also enrolled in the service. This makes it a great option for splitting bills, paying back friends, or sending money to family members. When receiving money through Zelle, the funds will be deposited directly into your bank account. Usually within minutes, you'll receive a notification when the money is sent, and you can track the status of the transaction through your bank's mobile app. To ensure secure transactions, Zelle uses the same security measures as your bank, including encryption and two-factor authentication. This means that your transactions are protected and you can trust that your money is safe. Some best practices to keep in mind when using Zelle include only sending money to people you trust, and being cautious when receiving requests for money from unknown senders. You should also keep your bank account and Zelle information up to date, and monitor your account activity regularly to prevent unauthorized transactions. In summary, Zelle is a free and secure service that makes it easy to send and receive money directly from your bank account. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Zelle with confidence and take advantage of the convenience and speed it offers.